Everyone's talking about AI, but no one's ready for what's really coming. Some say it'll take our jobs. Others say it'll make us billionaires. But here's the real truth: AI won't replace you. Someone who knows how to use AI will. Let's talk about what that really means and how you can be ready before 2026. Think about this: in 2010, no one thought social media manager was a real job. Today, it's one of the highest demand remote roles. Now imagine 2026, where AI prompt engineers, automation strategists, and AI copy auditors are the new normal. The question is, will you be the one using the tools or the one replaced by them? AI is not magic. It's a multiplier. It multiplies the skills you already have. If you're a designer, AI speeds up your workflow. If you're a virtual assistant, it automates your admin tasks. If you're a marketer, it analyzes data faster than you ever could. But the money isn't in knowing AI exists, it's in knowing how to use it to solve real business problems. That's what we teach at Bram's Digital Hub, not how to survive AI, but how to profit from it. How to prepare: you don't need to learn to code to start with AI. What you need is digital literacy, understanding how tools, systems, and automation connect. Start small, learn prompt engineering. Use AI tools in your daily tasks. Build a portfolio of results, not certificates. Because by 2026, the people winning won't be those with fancy degrees, it'll be those who can prove they can make AI work for them. So, why AI? Because the future doesn't belong to the smartest, it belongs to the most adaptable. If you want to be part of that future, subscribe and join our Tech Builders community at Bram's Digital Hub. Let's build the future one digital skill at a time.